Hi everyone, Carolyn here again, and now I'm going to show you all of the things I'll be bringing on my trip. During our hike, we'll be going from bed and breakfast to bed and breakfast, so that means we didn't need to bring any camping gear. However, I do need to carry all of my clothing and toiletries, and then I'll carry my food for the day. You won't see the food obviously, but all of the other things will be here now. So as we look at this, it initially kind of looks like a lot of stuff. And in my next video, I will show you how I'm going to pack it very succinctly into my bag. And I have more things than I might otherwise have because I have certain requirements that have to be met for this trip. Because unfortunately, I do not get to have a full vacation. I'm actually going to be working while we're hiking. So the first thing I'm packing is 2 pairs of these Prana ultralight hiking pants. Then I have 2 quick dry shirts. I have 1 fleece. It's supposed to be a little bit chilly. It's definitely full on fall there right now, so I need to be prepared for that. And this fleece is a good to layer because I can put it on top of other clothing and still wear it underneath my rain jacket. Next I have a merino wool sweater, which is also, it looks pretty thin, but it's actually quite warm. I have a long sleeved quick dry shirt that I can layer over other shirts. I have this little thing, which is actually a backpack that folds into itself that I can use for day trips or in the evening when we go out to eat. This is a small camisole that I can use to wear underneath other clothing or to go to bed. I have 1 dress because we're going to make a stop in Amsterdam on the way, and so we're going to a fancy dinner that night. I also find the dress to be more comfortable for travel on the plane. 4 pairs of underwear, 2 sports bras, 2 pairs of sock liners. I got really bad blisters last time we did a hike like this, and so I want to try to prevent that. 3 pairs of wool socks. Oops, there's a cat. The cat's not coming. 1 pair of leggings. Pair of gloves. This wrap is awesome because I can use it for a scarf, for ear protection, for a headband. This will be from a little miniature version of my wallet. Brush, deodorant, the nail clippers, chapstick, ibuprofen, Q-tips, sunglasses, and phone. Next we have this magic balm, and I'll use this, I can use this anywhere on my body as a moisturizer. Now, when we look at these tubes, it looks like I have a lot, and the reason for that is because I'm very allergic to any scents, and so I have to bring my own toiletries. So I have 2 shampoo, 2 conditioner, 1 concentrated soap that I'll use for washing myself, and then I have 1 of the same soap that I'll use for washing my clothing every night. This is a Duchess cup, which is a menstrual cup that I'll use instead of pads or tampons. I have stuff for good dental hygiene. These are things to wrangle my massive amount of hair. I don't drink caffeine, so I have a selection of teas, headphones for the plane, a couple pins, my passport. This is a guide to the West Highland Way, a little notebook for all of the things I need to remember while I'm traveling. I have some adapters and chargers for my various devices. I'll be bringing my phone and my tablet and a keyboard. This is the keyboard for the tablet. I work from home and I teach online, so I will be doing that while I'm traveling, and I need to be able to access my students' work, etc. This looks quite large, but it's actually very light. It's a travel yoga mat. There are my hiking boots, my rain pants, and my rain jacket. And the reason I have the travel yoga mat is because I am a very strict yoga practitioner, and so I really couldn't go on the trip without it. So if we look at everything, it looks like quite a lot, but in my next video, I'm going to show you how I fit all of these things into my bag and still have space.